Meow. I must get straight to work. No one else is awake, but I do my best work before sunrise. Meow. My station isn't even set up properly. I have to do everything myself. Meow. These creatures, meow. They expect me to drink stagnant water that has been sitting for who knows how long. And after I've worked so hard, meow. This is broken again. How am I to quench my thirst after working so hard? I need water. Let it flow. My tongue is so dry and rough. Please let this fresh spring trickle. Surfing looks a mess. Why aren't you at work yet? Yes, I fixed it. The water flows, and I did it all by myself. Yes, I did it all by myself. Cats in the City, making faucets trickle for cats since 2006.